I just wanna dance and feel good. Yeah, I feel good.
Oh my gosh! Hey guys! So I'm a little bit sick. And when I say a little bit, I mean like an actual little bit. Like I only have a little bit of like cough. But I today am going bowling and I'm so excited. And then we are filming Girl Talk afterwards, and then I'm going to a photo shoot. And so this day is very confusing because we have a family bowling trip and then we've got like filming and photo shoot. So it's like a mix of stuff. So I decided to vlog because my brother is back from winter break and we won't see him a whole lot because he's leaving soon. So I wanted you guys to be able to see him. But he might not be going for the whole time because he has plans. Like I said, we're filming Girl Talk today, which is a series I have with my sister on my YouTube channel. And what we're doing is my sister is buying workout shoes because, you know, New Year's resolutions, like, get fit. And I am returning my Adidas I got for Christmas and getting the right size. Where are they? Okay, slight change of plans. So now my brother cannot go, sadly, because he is going to a movie with Christina, and we all woke up too late to go bowling before the movie, and he already got the tickets for the movie. First, I'm going to go with my mom early, and we're gonna have the photo shoot, and then everyone will meet us at the bowling alley, and then we're gonna film Girl Talk. So it's a little different, but yeah, I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm doing some makeup since I'm having a photo shoot and I'm filming. So to start my hair, I am using some dry shampoo because as you can see, my hair is a tiny bit dirty. I just haven't showered today because I'm super good at keeping myself clean. So I'm using this one. Is from Amiga. So I just got it. They sent a bunch of hair products to me, and I'm gonna use the dry shampoo and conditioner so my hair still feels soft. I don't know if you're even allowed to use two products like on top of each other at the same time. I've already used the shampoo before, and the shampoo is really nice and moisturizing, and it just keeps my hair super clean, except these things are really hard to put down. Okay, and now we're gonna try the conditioner. My hair feels so good after putting in shampoo or dry shampoo, which is really weird because most people's hair feels really gross, but this one, this brand Mika, is super nice. I just breathed in like hairspray. That's what it tastes like. Okay, so now my hair feels, honestly, like there's not that big of a difference. I feel like the conditioner didn't do as much as the shampoo. Scratch that. This is a great product. Look at that. Now my hair looks so clean. It looks like I just got out of the shower. Okay, so I have these new brushes and they're really nice. They're from BTS Cosmetics. Look how pretty these brushes are. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I put some primer on to my face. And next I'm going to be using this foundation. I also have a BTS Cosmetics one. I just find that this one makes my skin super oily. I really like it because it's got this nice applicator and it's just super nice. And it doesn't feel oily and it's super light. This highlight is gorgeous. These are so pigmented. This is nice. That was just my crease. And then on top, I want to put just like a really light color right there, but I'm gonna change brushes. Okay, so that's a very natural look. I decided I wanted to start talking instead of just doing time lapses because it's a lot easier. And I like talking during doing my makeup. Okay, now onto mascara. And that is my finished makeup look. I really like it. It's really good for photo shoots because it's natural. Okay, so more on a serious note. I posted a video today because I'm filming this vlog really early ahead. So I posted a video on Friday, which is today, and it was a vlog of redecorating my room and like taking out Christmas decorations. And it got demonetized, which means that I can't make money off of the video. And if this keeps happening, it's gonna lead to something really, really, really bad. I just wanted to tell you guys why the comments were disabled on that video. It wasn't me. I didn't disable the comments. When your video gets demonetized, I guess the comments get disabled. YouTube doesn't tell us why they demonetize videos, but there's a lot of options of what they were. So we took out anything that was like, that we changed the thumbnail because my mouth was open and apparently they don't like that. And we figured out that it was probably because of bad quality, because that video was really out of focus a lot, and like I just kind of, because I was doing my room, I didn't like want to sit there and like focus it. It's just really, really frustrating right now, but hopefully this YouTube demonetizing videos thing will be over soon. I know so many YouTubers have gotten demonetized, like Hope has gotten really bad too. So there was like this little building we were gonna go to. It was like pink. I took some pictures in there when I dyed my hair pink. And now I'm doing like a pink thing for my Instagram, so we were gonna go there, and it's not there anymore. It's like, it was like this little abandoned like little cabin. I did my makeup and everything. Pink background. Oh, what about that? Blue background. That pastel blue. Yeah, do that. Because of my pink shirt. I got a pink shirt to go with the pink. Oh, I'm so upset.
Get in there. It looks like,
but I mean, we should have known, because last time it was like broken. Like everything inside was like glass. Okay, we're gonna try that blue coming up. Just see that little speck of blue. It's not the perfect blue, but we can like edit
I don't know how
it.
to get in there though. Like it's really
We can just climb over the gate. Ah! I'm really, really sad because I really wanted to get some cute photos for my Instagram to like boost off like the pastel new look with like some pure just pink photos. But since we can't find any walls, me and my mom are going to get some spray paint on the way home. And we have this one wall that's like orange and blue that my brother painted, that it's like a graffiti wall, but it's in our house for photo shoots and stuff, but it's like really fall looking. So we're gonna cover it in pastel colors. So we're gonna do half of it just plain pink for different type of pictures, and then half of it we're gonna do like a rainbow of like yellows, blues, and pinks. So then that like
maybe tea, like green and some tea. Like we just get
yeah,
a ton of different.
a ton of different pastels and like purples and stuff. So we'll get that. We probably won't be able to take pictures till tomorrow, so I guess I'll vlog tomorrow. Okay, so I changed shirts, but we're here at the bowling alley. I only changed shirts because I was gonna use the pink one for my photos and then use this plain black one for the bowling alley. Here we are with the family, minus Matthew. Hey look, I'm getting my shoes on. Oh, I thought that's a pizza. First turn of the day. Whoa, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna do bad on the first turn. No.
Yes, Marky.
Good job.
We need to like.
Good boy. Look at go. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god. He's winning. I'm so sure.
You can get a spare if you can just hit it. You can get a spare.
Go, Daddy! Oh, food! It's like the best pizza I've ever had. I got my first strike. Here's the footage right now. This is it. This is my turn. Okay. Woo! That was so bad. Oh my gosh.
Finally a strike. Good job, babe.
I got my first strike and I'm so excited because I really suck at bowling. I thought I was really good, but I'm actually not. Oh! Hey, that wasn't that bad. I got 99 points. What even? Last time I got like 20. Whoa. Okay, so now it's just me and Lily. Bowling was so fun. Oh, my girly. Lily, say hi. Hi. So, I've got my Adidas right here. I'm returning them and getting the right size. Ooh, this is where we're filming. Mom is our filmer, if y'all didn't know. These are my black and white ones. I'm gonna pick out my right size and then we're gonna film. I picked out my shoes. They're really cute. They look a little big because they are a little big, but my mom doesn't want me to get the size smaller, but they're still cute. I just took my hair down. I forgot that I did that. It looks crazy. I don't really care though. So we're going into the Home Depot now. My sister is in the car. That looks so weird. So we are getting the spray paints for the wall. Remember, I told you guys about that. So yeah, we're just getting some pastel paints and that. And then tomorrow, I want to film a video. And I think I want to do like a get ready with me, kind of like how I did in this vlog, but more detailed. And I'm going to do something more fancy with my hair and more fancier makeup. More fancier, that's really great. Yeah, I want to do a get ready, so I have to film that tomorrow, and then we're having the photo shoot tomorrow. Okay, I picked out some colors. I got one white just in case we need, like, you know, to put this one over the colors, and then I got two pinks because, you know, gotta love pink. Ooh, that's a perfect shade. All right, here comes the molder. I can't do it. I can't raise one eyebrow and lower the other. I can't, rip. That guy just, I mean, he was like, what the heck? Anyways, so I'm leaving Home Depot. My mom is gonna check out. I'm just really tired right now. So I'm gonna go home and I'm going to edit 2 videos because I have to edit a room tour and this vlog. I think the room tour already came out, to be honest. I'm not sure. Either it's coming out, it went out yesterday or it's coming out today. We also are painting the wall tomorrow. We were gonna do it tonight, but then I was like, nah, girl, I'm too tired. I don't wanna do it tonight. And it's too cold outside. I just wanna do it tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So I'm about to start the spray paint process. I'm really excited. It's gonna be really fun. So it's the next morning, but first I have to film like a really quick little thing in my room, and I'm so excited. I just came up with like the bomb.com video idea, and I'm so excited. Here's all of the spray paint. We got a little more of the colors just in case. Also, BTV just sent me this amazing sweater I'm really excited about. It's really comfortable and it's gray and it's just super comfortable and it's big. So this is gonna be a good painting sweater. I'm gonna paint in this, or spray paint. I won't even get anything on it. I just really love it, super comfortable. Next week is gonna be filled with some good content, let me just say. This is what it looks like right now. My brother did this. It looks really good, so I need this footage so we can like see how it looks, because we want to recreate this just in colors. You can see it's like peeling anyway, so it was time for a repaint. We need to move this tarp out of the way. I don't even know what that was for.
That was
that was a slip and slide from like summer. I've got my combat boots. I was wearing this overalls for the video. That noise is really flattering behind my vlog. We're gonna do this all white, and then we're gonna do the actual colors on top. Got my dad here. He's doing double-handed. We're done well, not done at all actually. This is just the white. Obviously you can see the colors through it, but we needed just some white so that these colors would show up. So I'm gonna start and I'm gonna do purple. Woo! We're starting on the pink wall. Look at this wall. Oh my golly, golly, golly. This is amazing. We finished. So I just got in my photo shoot outfit and it's kind of cold, but it doesn't matter. So I have this light pink velvet shirt and this is the background. It looks so good. And then this is the plain pink one. I like both of them a lot. The plain pink is just really good for other type of photos. Like, okay, so now we've got this camera out here and we're gonna take some pictures. So I decided to do some makeup because I want to use one of these photos as a channel art. So by the time this video is up, you'll probably have seen a new channel art. So I needed some makeup just in case. And then I've got my outfit. Okay, I'm looking at the photos. They look really good. These are the ones just on the pink wall. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that one.
The wall looks really good.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. The shout out of the day goes to Tracy Girl 2006 on Instagram. Make sure that you follow my Instagram because you can see all of these pictures come to life and you can see them on my Instagram and what they look like when they're done editing. I will see you guys tomorrow for another really amazing video. Bye! I'm so cozy right now. Okay, bye.